Now let's begin. First question. A person has fallen overboard and is being picked up with a lifeboat. If the person appear in danger of drowning, the lifeboat should make. Right option is option B, the most direct approach. Question 2. Immersion suit can be unpacked and donned within. Right option is option A, 2 minutes. Question 3. Under STCW regulation, what must each new crew member do before commencing assigned duty? Right option is option C. Be familiar with the safety procedure. Question 4. You are standing in the wheel watch. When you hear the cry, man overboard starboard side, you should instinctively, right option A, give full right rudder. Question 5. What is remedy to save face from the spark generated during the welding and grinding? Right option is option C, face shield. Question 6. Which is the life saving signal for this is the best place to land? Right option D, green star rocket. Question 7. Your vessel is equipped with totally enclosed lifeboat. Which statement is true when the boat is enveloped in flames? Right option is option B. An air tank will provide about 10 minutes of air for the survivors and the engine. Question 8. What is muster list? Right option C. A list that specify the details of emergency alarm, action to be taken by the crew and specify and how the order to abandon ship will given. Question 9. In heavy seas, the helmsman should steer the survival craft. Right option A, into the seas. Question 10. What should you do when you hear ship's emergency signal? Right option C. Report your muster station. Question 11. Space containing batteries required good ventilation because right option C. Ventilation avoids flammable gas accumulation. Question 12. You are in survival craft broadcasting a distress message. What information would be essential to your rescuers? Right option D, your position by latitude and longitude. Question 13. Distress flare need to be renewed every. Right option D, 3 years from the manufacturer date. Question 14. The revolving drum of windlass which is used to handle lines is called a. Right option A, warping drum. Question 15. What bare minimum should be done before working on electrical equipment? Right option is option C. Complete electrical isolation checklist. Question 16. What is the international signal for man overboard? Right option is option D. 3 long blast on the whistle. Question 17. A short and a prolonged blast 3 times over the ship's horn indicate abandoned ship. Right option A, true. Question 18. Information on safety and hazard control practicals and procedure on the vessel is described in. Right option D, the Vessel Safety Management Manual. Question 19. Safety equipment is checked by the crew. Right option is option A, before and during each voyage. Question 20. When securing the accommodation for the sea, empty lockers doesn't need to be closed. Right option is option B, false. Question 21. Where would you find details of your task and duties in case of emergency? Right option A, in the muster list. Question 22. Which of the following is considered to be the safest protection from the static electrical? Right option C, ships or bonding cable. Question 23. Reporting near miss is encouraged under which maritime instrument? Right option B, ISM code. Question 24. An emergency station list should be displayed on any vessel with more than, right option is option A, 4 crew members. Question 25. What is ship's contingency plan? Right option C, the plan for safety preparedness. Question 26. Warning signage information for the restricted area and emergency procedure. Right option B, should be known and implemented. Question 27. Body language includes a person, eyes, contact, smile, frown, etc. that convey. Right option A, messages. Question 28. Life jacket are kept. Right option D, where they can easily seen and accessed. Question 29. If you notice that a piece of equipment is broken, what should you do? Right option A, report to the officer on watch. Question 30. What should you do first if you see a man fall overboard? Right option C, release the nearest lifebuoy on the side he has fallen. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also mention your thoughts in comment section below.